Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your turn signal in a 2009 Mazda 3. It's quite simple. Only tool you're really going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Anyway, there's going to be two screws, one right here. But I'm going to go ahead and take out the two screws and we'll continue from there. Now that I got the two screws out, you're actually going to come up here, right above it, and right here will actually pop out. We'll pry out. Oh, let's see if my steering will go down anymore. Nope. Okay, so right here, it's going to pop out all around over here. So we're gonna do that real quick. I don't know if I can do it with one hand or not. I'm gonna have to pop it off real quick. So mine didn't want to come off, so I just lifted this up instead. Which when you lift it up, just scoot to the side. And as you can see, there's one screw right there. And if you just pull, you don't have to take the bottom off. You can see the screw right there. So you're going to want to take out that screw and that screw. Okay, I'm going to go and take these out and I'll get back with you. Okay, I got the screws out. So now literally all this does is pull out. Should just pull out anyway. However, I still kept the trim on both of them. Yeah, the trim on the bottom's catching. Now, everything's back together, all tight. Turn signal is good. So that's basically it. You're just gonna pull a screwdriver, take out 4 screws, and just pop some plastic trims apart and pull your turn signal out, put it back in, make sure you hook the wiring harness up, and you're good. I mean, it's a simple change. Most turn signal switches are like this. Usually you have some type of screw or bolt in the bottom, and then this usually pops up. So, well, that was a requested video, and I hope it helped. Have any questions, feel free to message or leave a comment. Thank you. See you next time.